Hey guys, MotorCarNut here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the intake manifold. Mine's out of the car, yours is going to be in the car, but when it's in the car, obviously it's in the back here. You can't see what you're doing, so this video is to show you easily what's going on back there. I mean, you can use an inspection mirror if you want, you know, but I like doing it this way sometimes to show people. I took the head off. I have a video on doing the cylinder head replacement, the head gasket, I mean, and I took it off with it. But if you want to just do, let's say if the intake manifold is leaking, all right, this is the back of the engine where the firewall is. Okay, so what you're going to do, you're going to have hoses here that connect here and here on the car, on the passenger side. Now, the bolts is 12 millimeter. You have one right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Now, before you do that, if you're gonna well, actually, this one you don't have to. Let me see. Yeah, the fuel injectors don't have to be taken out, because they're in the head. They're not in the intake manifold, which is good. And then over here, you're going to come to this side, and you're going to have some kind of hoses here. All right, you're going to take this one off and this one. All right, you may have an electrical connector that's going to come down here. One goes to a knock sensor, and the other one goes to here, right here. Okay, and then, which you may not know, there's going to be, down here is going to be another 10 millimeter. It's hidden. All right, there isn't another one on this side. A lot of people say that there is, but there isn't. And this engine is the let me show you. It's the 2ARFE. This engine is found in the RAV4 2008 up. And it's found in the Camry. It's found in the Highlander, the Venza, the Toyota, the Scion. TC is this 2.5 liter engine. All right, I figure I'll help you guys out so you get an idea of what's going on back there. You don't have to take the fuel injectors off. Like I said, they're part of the head. Unless you're removing the head, then you watch my other video how I took this off. It's not that hard to do at all. A little time consuming because it's a time and chain motor, but overall, you watch my video, you know how to do it. All right, guys, MotorCarNut, please subscribe, hit that like button. Any questions pertaining to the video, leave them below. I answer all my questions. I try to do it as fast as possible, and I appreciate all the feedback. Thank you, guys. Bye.